Hey guys, running Kimono here. So it is Monday, October the 14th of 2019. Happy Monday. Hopefully you guys are doing great. So yesterday when I was over at good old Walgreens, when I was looking for my Tide and the toilet paper and all those other goodies, I noticed a ton of clearance tags on items. Now, we're going to talk about a couple of things. Now, first off, if you might have received a gift card from one of these rebates that we've been doing for the last many weeks or many months, this would be an ideal situation to use one of these gift cards on this merchandise. Because in the future, if you're trying to use this gift card for deals, essentially this is like $10 of Walgreens points on a store card. So they will not give you the opportunity to use this to earn more points. So I would use it strictly for clearance merchandise. There's some sort of stipulation. It's like if you've ever returned something at Walgreens and you try to use that gift card on an offer like spend 15, get 3,000 points, and you come to learn, oh, I'm not getting my points because this is like a bunch of points on a store card. Same thing with these gift cards. It's a little trick that they have. When I say that there's a million trillion little booby traps with Walgreens, this is one of them. So if you might have one of these gift cards floating around and your store has a bunch of clearance merch, this is ideal. Ideally, if you don't want to spend your gift cards on this, if you wanted to buy perhaps after Christmas or after Halloween, that merch, that would be another great way to use these gift cards. Okay, guys, so this stuff is usually, it's at 50% at my store. This is always a year mileage may vary. What's at my store might be completely different at your store, or you might have 10 times more stuff. So just keep that in mind. So we have some Bounce dryer sheets, 50% off at $2.79. I believe there's a dollar coupon found in the October P&G. I would drop it down to $1.79. Now, I would absolutely brace myself because I think maybe this Tuesday or a couple Tuesdays following, it might drop even more. Like 90% would be the sweet spot, and you would have to really wait with coupons in hand and be ready and organized for that, or even buy everything at 90% off, no coupons needed. But yeah, absolutely, that would be the ideal situation. Perhaps they're going to go to 75 before 90, but this possibly could be like 54 cents, which is like unheard of. I mean, if you saw that in a store for 54 cents, I'm pretty sure most of us would just like grab it and pay for it and like not even think about it twice. So just keep that in mind. This is 50%. Now we have the Downy Infusion. This is $3.29. So I don't know if P&G is changing a bunch of their packaging, why so much of this stuff is on clearance, or this stuff has a shelf life where, it's good for about a year, and then stuff like this will start curdling or whatever it is. So this is exactly 50% off, and I think there's also a dollar off on the October P&G, so it would make it $2.29. Still too expensive for me. And now we have some Tide Pods. This was a larger bag, like a massive bag, and exactly $8.49. That's not even really good savings. Honestly, any Sunday you can get it a lot cheaper over at the Dollar General. But, watching this, in the next couple of weeks, when is it going to reduce down even more? Because I think that's when it's really going to start moving. And as you can see, like nobody was touching them in the store. We have this Renews It. It's some sort of like spray to put on clothes to make it smell nice and take wrinkles out, and it's 50% off at $1.49. Like, unless some of this stuff is your absolute favorite brand, like for extreme couponers, look but don't touch. We're just going to pounce when this stuff is really cheap. This is kind of a little haha. $7.49 for this Oxiclean. Now it's $3.79 or $4.19. Usually on a sales week, it's $2.99 with a $2 coupon. It's 99 cents. So hopefully you can see the bigger spectrum that even though this stuff has these orange tags, it's still not a very good deal. So no dice to some of this. Now this is a much bigger bottle for $11.99 down to $5.99. I guess for most shoppers, like if you're going to use this, it would definitely be worth your time. But as you guys know, we've seen this so many times in the last 6 months for $2.99 with a $2 coupon. It's 99 cents on the nose. This and Arm & Hammer. So unless you're rich, $5.99 is a no-go price. And now we have these extra detergents for $1.79, and they're usually $3.49. Now usually a couple times a year, they will have these for 88 cents a piece over at Walgreens, like 88 cents. So a sales week compared to a 50% off event, you can see, or with this 50% off sticker, it's still not a very good deal. And now we have the Cascade. This is something that we don't really get a lot for cheap or, like on a coupon deal, but it's $3.19. Like if it's your favorite, that's not the worst price in the world. And now this is a Lysol disinfectant spray. This is harder to find. Now, this guy is 50% off at $3.49. Now, if you remember a couple weeks back, in the pharmacy, especially now because they're really pushing cold and flu, there is a little booklet, and at the very back, there is a coupon for $1 off this specific product. It's a disinfectant spray. So with that dollar coupon, it would be $2.49. It's still a bit too. So if you look at this, and if possibly 75% off with that dollar coupon, maybe we have a deal. And if it was 69 cents at 90% off, I mean, I would buy every single one. And, some people for their cleaning, for toilets and that sort of stuff in the household, like this is just a necessity. Or if you have like pets that are running outside, inside, perhaps, it might be a good thing too, to just keep things clean. Definitely go to the pharmacy, guys, and look for that booklet. And I have shown that coupon before in other videos, and it's just $1 off a Lysol disinfectant spray. And if you are from the Midwest and you're a Meijer shopper, absolutely hang on to that coupon, because there will be a deal probably in the next 6 months to put that coupon into play. And now we have the Swiffer kit. It has 6 of these dusters plus... Oh, it's just 6 of the dusters. I thought it had a little handle in there too. I can't see it too well. Anyhow, this guy 50% off is $4.99. There was a $2 in the October P&G, but it expired on Saturday. So I'm not sure if there's a digital to go with this, but $4.99 is kind of expensive. If you consider if you're a Dollar General crossover shopper like Walgreens and Dollar General, you can get it a lot cheaper over at the Dollar General. Okay, so SC Johnson products include Fantastic, Scrubbing Bubbles, Windex, and Pledge. There is a website called Happy Thanks Gathering, where if you buy 4 of these items, you'll get a $5 gift card. Using manufacturer coupons with this clearance merch, there might be a possible deal for you. Okay, so the first product that we have, it's SC Johnson, and it's this Fantastic. It's some sort of multi-purpose cleaner, 50% off at $2.29. Now, I know there was a $1 off 2 coupon that's been floating around off of like toilet or bathroom cleaners for this Scrubbing Bubbles or Fantastic. So you might want to go through your coupon folder. Like if this is something that you diligently use all the time, we really haven't seen deals on this specifically. Like we found it on clearance over at the Dollar General. But like if you're a Walgreens shopper, not many. There used to be a bunch, especially for Scrubbing Bubbles, but not seeing it lately. And they always used to have BOGO free coupons on coupons.com, and those are extinct as well. And now we have this little guy, which is a Windex Foaming. I've seen this on clearance at various stores. So this guy is $2.59. Nothing to really sneeze at. I still think that's kind of expensive. And then we have the Pledge for $3.29. Again, still kind of pricey and expensive. If you can offset it with coupons, if you can offset it with one of those gift cards that we were talking about, and send it to happythanksgathering.com for your gift card, you might be cooking with gas for a deal. Alternatively, if you can wait for the 75% or 90% off, grab 4 items at about $1 a piece and then submit it to that website. Well, it'll be a dollar moneymaker. So it might be worth waiting and seeing when these items go even on a bigger clearance, and hopefully you can find them. And now this Urine Gone, I've never seen this product, but if you have pets like my little pumpkin, this might be a good thing to buy. 50% off at $5.99. Lots of wipes. So this Nice brand, which is the Walgreens brand, it's on 50% off at $5.29. If you're from the Midwest though and you have a Meijer, don't even try this, because we can always get it cheaper during certain sales week for the Lysol wipes. And then this little trio of the Clorox Wipes, 50% off at $4.29. And again, if you have a Meijer, we can usually get one of the name brand wipes like for dirt cheap during a sales week. And you guys have seen that numerous amount of times on this page. And a thing for cleaning bathrooms that's absolutely essential, 50% off. It's 49 cents for these Comets. I mean, this is just a really great price point for scouring, cleaning sinks, that sort of stuff, and to really deep clean your bathroom. And then we have the Clr Bath and Kitchen. This stuff is usually really expensive. There's never coupons for it. Even at $2.29, this is something I would absolutely buy, because there's some value to this. Certain products we never ever see deals on, and this is one of them. And then we have the liquid Plumr, again, a product that, you would never see it for $3.19. And if this is your thing, especially for hair clogs, if you have like 75 pounds of hair like yours truly, this is something to definitely grab. So definitely consider using gift cards, using points. If you have register rewards, if you want to pay it down. So you're not actually paying physical cash out the door for this. And 50% off, I still think a lot of this stuff is way, way, way too expensive. But possibly, in the next week or so, if I keep going and looking and doing my little patrols all the time, I might be able to find this 75 or 90%. 90%, I would buy all of it. not negotiable because this is stuff that I can use in my household and I love cleaning products. So anyhow, guys, just toss this one definitely on the back burner. Okay, guys, last thing I want to talk about before I take off, $68 for this number 7 kit, and there's a lot of beautiful skin cream in here. Almost $70 for this. So what I'm hoping is that the weeks leading to Christmas, this might be a 50% off like Christmas item. Sometimes like they have certain products that they cut right down to 50%. So even for $35, I would totally buy this because it looks like there's a lot of great stuff in here. And the number 7 line is really nice. Those gift cards, points, get creative, figure out a way. But if you wanted to gift this to yourself or, you know, perhaps like your mom or somebody special, like skincare is such a big thing, especially here in the Midwest when it's like super cold in the wintertime and it just thrashes your skin being outside. I mean, my eyes are on this because I think it would be a really nice gift. Merry Christmas to me or a gift for somebody else. So I just wanted to throw that out there because I saw this yesterday in the store and I was like, oh my gosh, this is a really great value and just a nice looking kit too. So whoever is from number 7, their marketing team, they nailed it right out of the park this year because this is really gorgeous. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.